How can this simple object make you stop squeezing toothpaste tubes? They were 3D printed without any supports. Let's have a look. The slot has a 1 mm width. Push a tube inside the slot. It can be left on until the tube is empty. Let's push it a little further. Push it as far as you need to. Want to help increasing this number? Thanks! Less toothpaste will be spoiled, and it's also easier to get it out. Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. Also check out my design and engineering channel where I post many tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.